she your number one sister? Shut up.
I need a jacket. Hey. Oh wait, is that egg or is it? Yeah, that those things are eggs. Yeah.
Oh, you already see eggs?
Yeah, we saw them in the bedroom.
Oh.
Do you know where my jacket is? Oh, we're on video. I need to get some. Hey, a basket. Let's see. Ooh, yay! Don't worry. Okay, I don't like mine. No, it's fine.
It says McKenna on it.
Yeah. I only have this underwear. First thing I look at is my clothes.
It'd be funny if the reindeer things get worse.
Chocolate buddy. Is that why you were smiling last night when I said, I know what I want for my birthday? Shoes, slip-ons. Oh, Mom, look at the shoes for my thing.
Cute.
What thing? Is that, you know? Oh, yeah. That's probably why she didn't want us to buy shoes. Ooh, this is cute. Whoa, I love this. Waka waka. Underwear. Actually, a jacket. Bunny. Mom, look how big it is.
Oh my gosh, that's gonna last you till next Easter.
Good boy, good boy.